not do something every day that you don't want to do. Ponder and deliberate before you make a move. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. An enemy is a friend who knows too much about you. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. Giving up smoking is the easiest thing in the world. I know because I've done it thousands of times. Always acknowledge fault frankly. This will throw those in authority off guard and give you an opportunity to make a choice. The truth must be served like a coat and not thrown in the face like a wet towel. Wrinkles should merely indicate where the smiles have been. Never allow someone to be your priority while allowing yourself to be their option. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog. Man will do many things to get himself loved. He will do all things to get himself envied. Noise proves nothing. Often a hen who has laid an egg cackles as if she had laid an asteroid. The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Clothes make the man. Naked people have little or no influence in society. Only two things we'll regret on deathbed: that we are little loved and little traveled. The captured soldiers should be kindly treated and kept. A leader leads by example, not by force. He will win who knows how to handle both superior and inferior forces. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than anything on which it is poured. Eat a live frog first thing in the morning, and nothing worse will happen to you the rest of the day. In making tactical dispositions, the highest pitch you can attain is to conceal them. Strategy without tactics is the slowest route to victory. Be careful about reading health books. You may die of a misprint. Never argue with a fool. Onlookers may not be able to tell the difference. There are several good protections against temptations, but the surest is cowardice. Everyone is a moon and has a dark side, which he never shows to anybody. A banker is a fellow who lends you his umbrella when the sun is shining, but wants it back the minute it begins to rain. Oftentimes, when your friends begin to flatter you on how young you look, it's a sure sign you're getting old. Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. We lavish gifts upon children, but the most precious gift, our personal association, which means so much to them, we give grudgingly. Forgiveness is the fragrance that the violet sheds on the heel that has crushed it. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. This is the golden rule for acquiring the habit of doing your duty without pain. Always obey your parents when they are present. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you too can become great. In order to make a man or a boy covet a thing, it is only necessary to make the thing difficult to attain. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. When I was a boy of 14, my father was so ignorant I could hardly stand to have the old man around. But when I got to be 21, I was astonished at how much the old man had learned in 7 years. The most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. A lie can travel halfway around the world while the truth is putting its shoes on. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, then success is sure. Grief can take care of itself, but to get full value of a joy, you must have somebody to divide it with. It is better to deserve honors and not have them than to have them and not deserve them. Never argue with stupid people. When people do not respect us, we are sharply offended. Let us live so that when we come to die, even the undertaker will be sorry. Nothing so needs reforming as other people's habits. Of all the animals, man is the only one that is cruel. Concerning the difference between man and the jackass, some observers hold that there isn't any. Whatever a man's age, he can reduce it by several years by putting a bright-colored flower in his buttonhole. The human race has only one really effective weapon, and that is laughter. No woman or man really knows what perfect love is until they have been married a quarter of a century. There is always something lying in wait to take the wind out of it. When you fish for love, bait with your heart, not your brain. An honest man in politics shines more than he would elsewhere. No real gentleman will tell the naked truth in the presence of the ladies.